Alright, you guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make some rice, Mexican rice. Oh, wait, give me a sec, you guys. We're gonna make some Mexican rice today. We're gonna make it under 15 minutes, but I'm gonna compress it down to 5 minutes, hopefully, for you guys in the video. So you guys don't have an excuse to not have carbs in your guys' protein meal, and we can get big on these bitches. Let me get the GoPro out too, you guys. Have a couple POV. First of all, get you a pan around this size, you guys. Put that bitch on the damn stove. Put everything you took out back. Don't be dirty, you guys. We're clean bodybuilders here. You want to set the flame to medium to low so it starts warming up. The ingredients, you guys, we're gonna need tomato paste. I know this is Alfredo, but my mom likes to reuse containers. You obviously need the rice. I use this one, Royal Basmati rice. I'm gonna add a jalapeno to see how it tastes. We're gonna need some sazon. I like the red one, but this green one's gonna have to do because I can't find the other one. And we got some garlic powder, or onion powder. And a little bit of salt as well, you guys. We got that all ready. But first of all, we have to clean the rice, you guys. Get you a bowl, any kind of size bowl. Put 1 cup, because I'm sure this is just for you guys. Oh, this is dirty. It works. Get you a cup of rice. Fuck, how do I measure it? Let me get a cup. Well, I'm sure this is equivalent to a fucking cup. Yeah! Oh shit, I think that's more than a cup. Oh, I think around that much. I feel like that's a lot. Oh damn, that is a lot. Oh yeah, that's more than enough. Okay, I'm gonna put some back. My mom's gonna beat my ass. Now, we're gonna wash all the, I don't know what's it called. You wanna do this around 3 to 5 times to make sure all that white shit, what is it? There's a word, but I don't know what this is, the shit. Man, I gotta stop cussing. See how it's turning white, you guys? The water's turning white. We want that to be clear before we add it to the pot. So finger it a little bit. Get it good? Oh yeah. All right, you guys.
As soon as it starts boiling, add half a...
Got it! Get some oil, pour it on there, like so. There you go. Oh shit! All right, I'm gonna start adding my chili, pico de gallo, or whatever this is. Goya. No, really no specific. Kinda add like a tablespoon and a half of it. Make it taste good, you guys. It's just guesstimating at the end of the day. Add your onion powder. Why is it stuck? Y'all see that? I don't even know if I want to use it. What the hell? Oh hell no, I turned it into a rock. Throw that shit away. A little bit of salt. Don't add too much salt, you guys. Little goes a long way, you guys. There you go, like that. Add your tomato puree. There you go, you guys. Add a little bit more, fuck it. Your girl gives some shit why they don't taste like nothing. She won't be like, what the hell you talking about, ugly ass? Get out of my house. My mom's on the highway right now. I gotta finish this damn rice. No, my mom's here already. Oh, my mom might be in the video. Ooh, it's hot in here. Oh, it's hot. Don't give up, you guys. Who's gonna make the rice? Who's gonna make the chicken? Exactly, come on. We are gonna add the water. Let me open up my mom real quick. All right, you guys wanna add this amount of water and don't drop that. Mix it around, you guys. Once it starts boiling, you're gonna wanna put the cap over it and let it simmer for 10 minutes. It's okay, if it comes out dry, just add more water and just cover it again. So let it boil. Oh, that rice looks good already. All right, you guys see how it's simmering? I mean, it's boiling. You're gonna wanna put the cover over it. Cover that bitch. And then put it on low and wait 10 minutes, you guys. All right, you guys, I'm gonna open up the rice to see how it turned out. Oh, I'm scared as hell. Ooh, wait, okay. You can tell it's still a little bit wet, so we're gonna let it sit for another 10 minutes. Bro, why the fuck does my Wi-Fi keep disconnecting? Look at that, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, that tastes good. That's good as hell, you guys. 10 out of 10, you guys. Look at how that turned out to be, you guys. Oh my god. My mom said it was good, so we're good, you guys. It tastes pretty good. I ain't even gonna lie to you guys. Like and subscribe. Take care, you guys.